you coming to Pakistan? When are you coming to Pakistan? Will your talks be in Urdu or English? And so on and so forth. I would like to inform the viewers that inshallah, I will inshallah be coming to Pakistan in the month of October, and I've been invited by the government of Pakistan for a series of lectures which I'll be giving in the three major cities, that is Karachi, Lahore and Pakistan. I'll be giving public talks in Karachi on Saturday the 5th October as well as Sunday the 6th October. I'll be giving two public talks in Lahore on Saturday the 12th of October and Sunday the 13th of October, as well as in Islamabad on Saturday the 19th of October and Sunday the 20th of October. I have received many requests and invitations from various different universities from Pakistan and different cities from Pakistan. Time will not permit me to accept all because the invitations are in hundreds and it's increasing every day. Inshallah, we'll select some of the important universities. One university that we've already selected is the NUST, that is National University of Science and Technology in Islamabad. So inshallah, during my stay in Islamabad, I'll be giving one lecture in the university. We have received various other invitations from different universities and from different cities. But as you may be aware, that amongst all the invitations that I've been getting in the last several decades, the maximum invitation that I've got is from the country of Pakistan. And finally, this is my first visit to Pakistan on an official lecture tour. I've been to Pakistan in 1991. It was a personal visit. Before I started giving public talks, I'd gone to meet Dr. Israr Ahmed. May Allah grant him Jannat al-Firdaus. So this is my first official visit to Pakistan for official lecture tour. Regarding the question, will I be giving talks in Urdu or English? Inshallah, my public talks, which I mentioned in the weekends, would be in Urdu. My talks in universities may be in English. My son Farik would be accompanying me, and the public talks, maybe out of 6, 3 he'll be giving in Urdu, 3 in English. And it's my dream that it was a long-awaited dream of mine that to come to Pakistan for a lecture tour, and I'm looking forward for it. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that it is a successful lecture tour, and may inshallah the people benefit, and may I also benefit from this trip.